suckers try to imitate, it's kinda hard to do. I got bitches pulling up like a barbecue. I holler at a bitch like her father do. Tell Cinderella I'm that fella, she forgot her shoe. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I fuck with a lot of bitches, I ain't gotta move. If you ain't talking about no cash, I ain't trying to reach you. You can find me in the lab like a science teacher. I'm in the lab like a science teacher. I'm in the lab like a science teacher. If she ain't talking about no cash, I ain't trying to reach her.
The news. The news you choose to use. They canceled camp, so it couldn't be great. Huh? Bill did it?
Yeah, Bill
got
did
it on the
it.
ground.
So I'll be on season 7.
Oh, for real? That's dope, man.
Yeah, this is his.
It's on the floor,
Nice
man.
to meet you, man.
Clean.
Big fan.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, dude, Bill, so they took the front off, chopped up the whole front, obviously the air out for me.
Motherfucker clean.
Thanks, man, I appreciate it.
Yeah,
They did a hell of a job with it.
So you next season. Okay, turn up. Yeah, they got some shit up in here for real. This truck clean as fuck. I'm thinking Porsche. I'm thinking Porsche. This whole here nasty, man. They got the yeah, they got some shit up in here, kid. This is a real one. Over 30 big? What the fuck? What's going down, people? How y'all doing? I'm gonna show y'all these cars. There's some nasty shit up in here. Look at this motherfucker here. This shit crazy. They not fucking around, kid. What else they got up in here? I like how they did that carbon fiber on that limo. That motherfucking nasty.
There's that GT40 back there.
Where? I'm gonna follow you. Let me know where to go.
You just walk through the middle.
Clearing them, boys. Oh, good, motherfucker. They got some shit in here. Man, they make me want to get that Porsche, man. I think I might need to add a Porsche to my shit. That look nasty. What's up, boss?
Fucking word.
What up, man? You good?
I love your music, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Good to meet you. Yeah, man. Boys got some shit up in here. This motherfucker here. Nasty. Beautiful. Excuse me, boss man. Christmas lights on that motherfucker. So what the fuck? I supposed to put my Instagram in my window now? This is nasty. It's clean. Nasty. trying to make me want that Porsche, man. I think I might have to do it. Boy, that wing's sick on that bitch. What the fuck? Boy, I got the SV in that bitch. Boy's not bullshitting. Huh? I wanted my boy Todd at this bitch. I mean, Ted. I say Todd.
Yeah, I know, right? I hadn't seen it.
Okay. Yeah. What kind of fucking gym is this? What kind of muscles they got in this motherfucker? It look like, what kind of gym is this? This ain't the motherfuckers that go to the gym, huh?
The gym's next door.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, these motherfuckers get money at this gym. What they got going on? Shit. Which way should we go now?
The whole fitness club over there.
Let's go this way. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I'll get it after this.
You are all in my mind, in my mind. You are all in my
another
mind,
Porsche.
in my mind.
Damn, bro. Damn. Yeah, man. What else? We got everything. Man, I'm in the parking lot. I ain't bring shit. I just found out about it. But it's dope, though. They got a lot of clean shit. A lot of dope shit. So I gotta get the GT3 is what y'all trying to tell me? Niggas gonna smoke me? God damn. What's up, boss? I saw you at good. Oh yeah. Yeah, you good? This house steroided out. Yeah, I got everything, huh?
That was it.
Thugger News live on the scene, showing y'all what's going down. What's up, bosses? I was just letting y'all see car show, a lot of those nice cars. I'll get at y'all later on.
Time to put a hater under. I hit his ass with 7 shots, that's my favorite number. My favorite color green like a cucumber. I've been grinding with my team for a few summers. I'm not a newcomer, I got a new hunger. Benji Blue on the beat, I call it Blue Thunder. Speakers thumping, jumping like Westbrook. I got a yellow bitch, thicker than a textbook. Show me how the check look, I'll sign the dotted line. These niggas say they signing deals, but they ain't got a dime. They say they keep it real, but not all the time. I'm really out here in the field, I ain't hard to find. I talk sign language, show me dollar signs. I'm with my homegirl Paula up at Columbine. Steakhouse, we dine in or take it out. I keep my grass cut low to keep the snakes out, nigga. This not a game, this is called the game. I make a lot of plays and I can move the chains. Hear bitches cheer my name when I'm in the game. There's different levels to this game, we don't play the same. It's not a game, this is called the game. I make a lot of plays and I can move the chains. Hear bitches cheer my name when I'm in the game. There's different levels to this game, we don't play the same. Couldn't walk a a mile in my shoes or a pair of boots. Everywhere my niggas go, bitches yelling, where's Moose? When I see a bad bitch, I ain't scared to shoot. I'll open up her mind like a parachute. I don't be lying to these hoes, I just tell the truth. We don't need a marriage license cause I'm marriage proof. I don't fuck with skinny jeans, I like to wear them loose. And if it's cold outside, I might wear a goose. Your diamonds looking dry, they need some carrot juice. I'll fuck a bitch with a weave and pull her hair loose. Tear up the booth, they kick me out the studio. Like my nigga Rick, I'll fuck a bitch in her booty hole. Sometimes I eat pussy with a Tootsie Roll. Met a chick at Cold Stone, she tastes like cookie dough. I'm mossing on these niggas, they in rookie mode. I seen some niggas sell they soul for a pussy hole. It's not a game, this is called the game. I make a lot of plays and I can move the chains. Hear bitches cheer my name when I'm in the game. There's different levels to this game, we don't play the same. It's not a game, this is called the game. I make a lot of plays and I can move the chains. Hear bitches cheer my name when I'm in the game. There's different levels to this game, we don't play the same.
It's not a game, it's just called the game. It's not a game, it's just called the game. It's not a game, it's just called the game.